Hi guys, I recently purchased this Amazon Basic vacuum cleaner. So I wanted to share my experience with this device or the vacuum cleaner. It's quite good. I'm pretty much satisfied with that. This is a bagless vacuum cleaner. The current price is 4,099. I purchased it for 35.99, but I have seen that the price even goes down till 32.99. I think it was until yesterday there was some kind of promotional offer and it was 32.99. So I mean you can buy that cheap too. So again, like this is a bagless vacuum cleaner, so it has less maintenance. Plus, it has triple A performance efficiency in terms of energy consumption. So it's much more efficient, and it will not be you know shooting up your electricity bills, hopefully. And yeah, this is quite powerful, even if the it's energy efficient, but still it's not that that the motor and the suction power is less. I mean, it's quite good. It comes with lots of attachments, and the device looks pretty much neat and clean, as well as the build quality is also good. So now I will show you the vacuum cleaner which I purchased. Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you the vacuum cleaner which I bought from Amazon Basics. So the vacuum cleaner is this one. It's a bagless vacuum cleaner from Amazon Basic. The current price is 32.99. When I purchased it, it was like 35.99. So the price has reduced a little. I'm just unpacking this after like 3 weeks of my purchase. So it's good that the price is even better now. So if you guys are planning to buy this, please go ahead and order this. So this is the vacuum cleaner. It's the bagless one from Amazon Basic. Now I'm going to show you what parts I got along with this vacuum cleaner. So this is the box. I just opened the box, but I haven't taken out the stuffs from it. So I'm just going to take it out one by one, and I'm going to show you what are the parts which I received along with this vacuum cleaner. So first thing is like this the pipe. It's a nice pipe, nice and sturdy, looks good, looks strong. Okay. So I will keep it aside. Now I have this part. Seems to be the one which is used to clean the floor or the mattresses. This is how it is. This also looks fine in the quality. The quality wise, it's good. Okay, next you get this extendable pipe. Again, a pipe, but this I think you can extend it easily. How to? One second, guys. I'm just doing this for the first time. Okay. So this is the pipe, and this is really the build quality is really good. You can feel it when you hold it in your hand. So this is like a pipe which you can extend. So to extend this, what the mechanism is, like you will have to pull this little low, and then this can be extended. So this is like a full length of it. Okay. Now the second, the next item is this nozzle. Then we have this one. This is I mean, you can use to clean the blankets or anything, I mean, which you want. So yeah, this is for upholstery, I guess. Upholstery. This is again like I'm not sure about the names of these nozzles, so but I'm just showing you like what all parts we received from this package. Okay, so okay, so I was wrong. This is for the mattresses. That's a bigger one. This one looks to be the one which is used to, you know, vacuum the mattresses. That's good. These are few of the attachments. Yeah. Okay, I got it. What they were. Okay. It's like this. I think you know, you can mount it to your pipe over here. This one. So we can check that later. Now this is the vacuum cleaner itself. Now I was little late in, you know, unboxing this and trying it out. I mean, I should have done that earlier because my return date has already passed. I mean, it was valid until you know, 16th, and I'm little like late with the return policy. So anyhow, like if this works, it should be good. Otherwise, I will have to claim through the warranty. Okay, so this is the vacuum cleaner. So again, like I will show you like how this one can be detached from this main part. You know, here you have a button. Just press this, it can be detached, and this is the cup, the dust cup, and there you have a button again. Okay, hold on. If you press this, this will open up, and the all you know, dust, you can just clear it out. Okay, you can do it from here as well. And this is the filter. So they say that this is I think this is washable, and I think it should be. This is just a kind of a sponge, and you should be able to wash this easily. So this is nice, good to have. So this is not a dust bag vacuum cleaner. It's a dust cup, so it has less maintenance because you don't have those bags which you have to replace all the time. The entire dirt will go inside this dust cup, and you can just simply you know, open this and throw it away, you know, from here. Let me try it out. At least try to run this, and then I will show you like how it performs. This button over here will help you bring this cord back into the socket. So you can just pull it out till the length you want to go inside your room, and then when you just want to wind it back, just press this. It will roll it back into this machine. Okay, and this is a on off button. Okay, let's try to run this now. So I plugged it in and I'm going to turn it on. Hopefully it works, otherwise I don't have even a return policy valid now. Okay, so this is okay. Let's see now. So I just tried vacuuming my window curtains. Yeah, I mean the curtains were almost clean, so you cannot see much dust over here. Let's try vacuuming something which is a little dusty. Okay, I will change the attachment once again. So I have added this attachment. Let's see. Try vacuuming this dust from here, from my window, this place from the window. Okay, I'm going to turn it on now. this can clean this up. So yeah guys, you can see that it has worked. It cleaned. Yeah guys, so I think this is a nice vacuum cleaner and quite power efficient as well. So it has been rated, I think, AAA or something. You can check on the website. So hopefully it's not too much of a burden on your electricity bill if you run this continuously. Now you can see some kind of a little bit of dust over here. It's a little dusty, so I just cleaned my window using this and it looks a lot more cleaner now. Earlier there was dust in this gap over here, the window slide, but now it has been cleaned. I mean, it's a lot cleaner than before. So yeah, this is a nice vacuum cleaner, I will say. Yeah, if you are interested in buying a vacuum cleaner, this is a nice and cheap one from Amazon Basic, so you can try it out. Thank you a lot for watching this video. Bye.